Hello, I'm Toby.
Hi everyone and welcome to Dobertot. Today I'm going to be showing you the newest addition to our Thomas and Friends collection. It's a talking Toby. And I'll also be showing you all the trains that we've collected so far. So first we have Thomas, of course, and he's always number 1. And we have this cargo part, which has a magnetic front and back so that it can be attached to any train. So next we have Terrence. He's an orange tractor with these caterpillar tracks. So he's very interesting because he's the only one that has these caterpillar tracks, and I love how they move with his wheels. And in an episode, Thomas actually made fun of Terrence for having these caterpillar tracks, but it is Terrence who ended up saving him when Thomas got stuck in the snow. So next we have Bulgy. It's a very interesting name for a double-decker bus. In the episodes, he's actually a very bad-tempered and very rude double-decker bus. He doesn't like the railroads or the trains, and he thinks that the road should actually replace all the rails. But later on, he's actually restored, and he sees the error of his ways, and he changes. So he no longer is a rude and bad-tempered bus. I love the detail in this bus. They even have words here and all the windows. And this one's actually electric, so it runs by itself. So next we have this tractor, the solder tractor, which carries a bunch of rocks. So if you look here, it has a bunch of rocks, and this part actually opens so the rocks fall through this little area here. But it's really well built, and again it has the magnets on either side so that one of the trains, well, not Terrence, but I guess Thomas again, can pull him. So our second last one is Harvey, and he's a cheery, big-hearted, helpful crane engine. You can even tell from his face how cheery he is. He looks a bit strange because he does have this crane here. And initially I think a lot of the other engines didn't like him and thought he looked kind of strange, but he was able to show that he could be very useful with this crane by lifting cargo, trucks, and sometimes even helping other engines with his crane. So this is what Harvey looks like. He has his name on the side and this crane which turns pretty much 360. He is a very nice looking train. So lastly, we're going to open our new addition. So this is Toby, and Toby is a steam tram, and he often comes with 2 coaches named Henrietta and Victoria, and he also comes with typically a luggage van named Elsie. So this one is actually a talking Toby. So if you just press the top, he'll make different sounds and actually talk. I really like that they have a light here that lights up, I'm sure it looks really cool in the dark.
Right, the number 7 engine. You might need my help. Hello, I'm Toby.
So this is our collection of Thomas and his friends. Tell us which one is your favorite. And as always, if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like and subscribe to see more.